Very big good afternoon, country people them. PG News debate for inside the last day for number 3 moon 2018. Tori for this afternoon, waiting we go talk. We strong number them for this afternoon. We go talk na palava vote for senator them. Where it pass for Sunday. Where it be then na number 25 day for inside number 3 moon for 2018. So for inside debate this afternoon, we go try for check this work away pa Atanganji. Inyati enter for Sawes, go for Boya, then he go for Kumbam. The worker, he go last bring peace for inside that side for Southwest. Question we will go try for debate on top this afternoon. Other small thing, other thing they pass for inside country for the week we just finish. Na banga we gendarme people they cash am, or na palava for urban confusion for side for loom, or even palava control where people them for commerce they make them for inside Douala yem. Electric pole then too, they also for Njengu, all the one then so. If time dey for back, we go try for enter for inside that chapter for talker or in the proper. But sabi say main tori them inside debate today, Senate vote and waka for Atanganji for Sawes. We go talk am. For talk this chapter for this afternoon, we get Nji Jespal, na so me they ever call him, na president for Ngemba people them for Douala side here. Oga president and big man for one for the road. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Uga Ambassador. And I throw salute for country people. I sure say every's good in the year me and all my brother the way they did for upside. So I think Semuna should don't wear more see how way this story go pass from the beginning to the end. And I throw all salute for especially one for the road customers. Thank you. Alright.
Now President for Ngemba people them for inside Douala and big man says for one for the road for that side for Bonaberry. Another person person who sabi plenty, he don't turn our combi too. Na Mola Jules Nana, good afternoon Mola.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ambassador. Don't forget so the inside Holy Week. So at least we go really talk this story then with Holy.
Voilà. So now say make all thing it work fine. As well Jesus he wake up tomorrow for die. We would remember say Jesus wake up tomorrow but I may wake up. He carry all the bad things.
All the bad things that may go.
Maybe but for Monday we go yes say find things that they happen for Norwest and Southwest.
Surely now we hope to that.
Okay, I never forget a title today, so I hope say won't finish. We will talk the other one for back door.
Probably no day.
Alright, so country people them na so we the talk, na palava for laugh and palava too for talk tori we go give all we things as we country they happen. First thing as we talk this afternoon, we go concentrate over for inside Senate vote will happen for inside Cameroon for number 25 day for this moon. Side we will go start na for Douala SSF. Make we take una go for that side for Alfred Seca College. Na for they will vote, it be pass one of the vote place. It be then for inside Alfred Seca College or Douala Yem. For inside Douala, one of the complaint the way council of them they've complained at this vote for Elekam. With this place where they vote, they say it open. Where when you vote, put your paper for inside. If by mistake for down, they go to see say you know vote for them. And another thing too they be talk na palava money where Elekam they ever give for council of them they vote. Make we call them na 50,000 they give for council of them they vote. They say that money they instead give for people them for state treasury for pay council of them when they finish vote like their transport money. And on top that one, plenty of the council of them say they no be like even as with Dorothy Lunganjoma where it be the tonton. It talks say whether na treasury pay am or na Elekam pay am na so government money. Sabi so another big problem or another complaint. They talk say the way they be look out party where the party where they on top chair for country and another one where they carry all council of them inside moto. It be just they like say they be the fear say council of them for the CPD and people then they for fee for vote for other people them. So now some of the complaint in that where it pass for inside Douala here for chapter for that vote, but the one way the best plenty people them now this one way elect can bring and say maybe people they trade the paper for inside for vote. They talk say that one if by mistake your paper fall for down, they go sabi the kind of way they sabi say other people the day where they be only can turn up for check as where they vote it pass where they call them say observer and na so too elect people then too they be turn around for see as where the thing it pass. So now so this vote a pass for inside Walla here. I go turn my back for seeing Oga President from Gambam and Big Man. I say we don't talk this chapter. Council of them, particularly one them for SDF, one of the big complaint with the game. Na palava that team where they go enter for inside, change their card them, put them for envelope. Sabi save some card for normal though. Sabi say you don't vote for the party. So if you say they complain with the council, they be complain. Palava card, place where they put card and even palava money. If you say na team they will be get for big to complain.
For me, I no see any problem because when you go vote, the important one na which we don't put up your envelope and the person where they choose them. So for say you like complain, say no, the man where you they reject you own the place, it be very open. It seems it bring that corruption system because some people in the way, you know, I don't know whether they like take money for lies, say no, they will vote for here, but they will vote for the opposite side. Because without that, I don't see no reason why if you don't go, you choose the person where you want vote, you vote for the person, and then you complain about the area where you did throw away the waste. I think you're talking about the waste, right?
Yes.
Of which that waste not account because
no, if you be where you want to do that thing, so they real one for that.
The real one for
the real one where you want use and we want to put on that box for that. It be possible.
Unless say you go make my understand saying like how we don't say most of them for them are people that they use now stick them take walk away. Maybe if it happen for that level, but I think say normally it will be very difficult. Say where you don't go come off your house with your choice as you come.
Now for them they go pick card, remember?
Yeah, you the pick card for that place for choose all the cards them, but when you don't enter for inside the box where you like decide whosoever you go vote, you understand? I think the complaint, I want make will be clear. This complaint, I said the play where all those cards that they line up it be open, or the place where when you go should don't for go like choose which person to vote, it be open.
You be see that place where all the worker go for go change.
Yes.
Okay.
Now they complain.
Now they complain.
So for me, I not see that complaint irrevocable.
Then how for the other complaint that also most of the council or the CPDM or the kind of for inside one motor, if you join them, I say they be follow them for back city, they say they be share say they feel vote for different person.
No, I
if
think
you say correct.
No, I think say that one for me, I feel call as a team spirit there.
Okay.
Without taking side for me, if for some will not take side, if you look at very well a team spirit where they don't come up for their house with their team spirit, where me and you I think say you not get any impact for do when it comes to vote. When I feel come for which kind of motor even for playing, but the reality na for fee. So for me, the vote environment, the way where they come, I just say normally if you look well, even when referee for fee blow bad game, whether player consciously he knows say he don't play bad game, it is still wrong, go stand for front referee, wait, but where you hand, if you look at you will see the stamp where ball don't touch him. So I think so would ever get complaint, even for play we complain all day.
Molajul Nana, I know sabi whether you buy the same talk way Nji just
yes,
talk.
Contrary to what we Mr. Nji just talk. You know say this for Cameroon law, we get for exercise our voting duties through sacred balloting. When you talk of sacred balloting, it means that so not only you inside that box get to know which person you vote. So for that reason, they get to put everything in place so that may really be sacred. When we look at that, the ballot box, so the place where we get for go for choose the card, it will be exposed. And as it be exposed, people if interpret which way to do for them. Just imagine as we just try to explain and say, if in the course of choosing the person we get for vote, the other one they fall for down, automatically if you get another interpretation, would they inside Cameroon, would they inside Africa? Person feel before they talk say, so you vote that this other person, problem come out. Secondly, you talk about this problem for parties where they come now inside moto. It just been I've just expressed the sense so this freedom of expression for Cameroon. Most of them they respect which they talk say party discipline. We no correct. When it comes to vote, make any person he express his mind. You even be a member, a staunch person for some given party, then during election you decide for say okay the roadmap for this person we want to occupy this post of responsibility, buy the idea, you decide for vote another person. But here for our country, you vote now the person where the party tell you say make you vote, and moreover self before you want to go vote, they put all people, they even put police them for your corner so that they be forced, you be forced or vote the person way they want them. We're not correct. So conclusively, we talk say this so sacred balloting it may be respected for Cameroon.
Now, some other people then too, they complain before we talk all the chapter. Maybe we'll talk all the chapter. They will come back for general two. They happen for different side, and we'll try for look with country whether we own country never reach age for that one. We the talk this chapter for votes where you look that place where they the votes now big problem. Manadin make we go Yawinde too. For Yawinde side to the votes it be pass fine, but for inside Yawinde side they for side will be tonton reach from Fundi for government primary school for Bastos side where the votes it be happen from Fundi division side it be then a normal way it be happen normal vote to it be happen, but plenty people them they be try for talk say waiting way if they were big man and governor it be get for can do and DO them SDO them all they be there for field for check as where the vote it the pass. Sabi say even big man for Elekam where they call it say Abdoulaye Babale he says it be take it time for tonton for inside that side for Yawinde for check as well they vote the pass. Now Abdoulaye Babale that white clothes with cap. Governor says every day DO SDO them normal plenty people they talk say thing the way concern palava votes administration it no be concern for his side so far as way them they no be then a council or the way they be the vote normal they be get no get for before outside. So wait you check for this chapter where administration says it be enter for inside the chapter for voting normal that way concern council or them.
Yes, Mr. Ambassador, we get for make a difference between the government administrators and the election government body administrators. If now Abdoulaye Babale be passed today alone, it corrects, that will be problem. But this one where they see governor, GO, they pass today, it is still push me to understand say this so Elekam no be independent. Elekam be controlled by the government. So Elekam no fit work freely. Now why do you see governor self the pass? Sometimes where the pass so it influence those Elekam envoys or maybe agents them indirectly. So I just feel say ye and more to that governor, SDO, they don't be council, they don't be municipal councillors. Normally they get for even stay for house, they wait for the results. Or if possible, through phone call for just get their agents ready around for see if things that they pass normal. And if things that pass normal, I don't even see any reason why they be waiting for come for them. So it's not correct for me. Next time for next elections today, may they leave Elekam where they organize the election for start so they finish and they just wait now only their reports. If problem they at least Constitutional Council they if we continue.
Now you be the talk palava say Elekam you know get one more just so talk till we happen for Douala Yewe will be just talk and small palava money we council that they ever get them for transport. Normal na Elekam be get for the pay that money, but na people them for state treasury you give the money. You don't just talk palava say Elekam no stand up E1. It means say ngom na this also be for on top back Elekam so he go fit do the work better. Now you see what happen for Yawinde wait till you get for talk.
I think say as our brother don't earlier talk for this country will not get a good system when it comes for election for this country. If you look very well, Yiwe Shido on top stick. He the one do everything possible for maintain your position on top that stick. And again, most of these people, the way that they go in for those different positions, they get also post them where they occupy them. They get friends them, like as we talk about the geo, etc., where they come in. Now friends them, where they come in for like influence some certain people them. Some they start right for office level, start for office level for, intimidate worker. If you not do this you do wait this. So at the end of the day, whatever be the case, you discover say for me will get a very good system where Elekam can manage election for this country free-handedly. Government normally, even if they want to talk say presidential election, the president where it already be outgoing, he no get nothing in power again when he don't already stand also like a candidate like you and I. But for here you discover and say the person where it is still go in for say by God grace if it be now they manage everything in place, and at the end of the day you discover say you no ever get opportunity for manage something and then you no manage them for your favor. So I think say the upcoming days if we be seeing all the uniform men them where the day around the patrol around we're talking about security. because possibility the way the fee can enter, so before one discover that ballot box, it don't disappear. So if we see them, we fit talk say security, whatever. Then if their own boss then they come, which means they don't get confidence for the fee workers, and because they get for wait report for inside office, not for come for fee can do the fee worker your own work. You get me? Person the way they work for fee, you work for office. If you don't come off your office and then come for fee, wait see that person for fee will do. He will go for your office, go work. So at the end of the day, we'll see say the reason why they come in now because they want defend their interests.
Okay. Now, just for Sabi says also for inside this chapter for Senator before come back for the corner side in the way pass. For that side for Buea, the Senator vote to it pass fine according to report. Even as so Sabi for that side so for Buea, it be then a big correct fight to a pass for Buea side day. Can people them as we they come out for come vote. We take una go for that side for Buea for talk this chapter for Senator vote them for inside Buea. Can people them Sabi say for that side no jump enter for Bamenda. Na Bamenda that's all this year. Till we pass for inside place like Bamenda. Can people them na that camera where they see where they put them na the camera thing and that where they see for inside government for place where they be the vote for Bengui side. Nothing that way be cash all people that hide them who put the camera and the camera where they put them for them now for do waiting. Now the big question that we put the ask them for inside Bamenda now the thing that pass. Even governor Sesep Adov Lele Lafrique it be tonton as way other people they be do for check as way the vote it the pass. For Limbe side as well Sabi council of them we hear say they be keep them for hotel overnight. Then only the next day they be tonton for carry them. Vote is start for Limbe too late. For Buea side na Oga mayor former mayor Sesep Mbela Muki Charles na one of the people then that way he own people them they glad after we vote we come up for that side according to the counting them they be the talk say na CP he win even as we SDF he don't write complain say may the council vote for that side so for Buea for Sika say the vote in no pass fine. So all the one so nothing that way pass for inside this chapter for Senate votes. Oganji Jespal, President von Gimbam. Maybe we'll begin for talk this chapter for council of them. Sabi say Norwest, Southwest, now place away it is also hot, even as we would try for make them they make them understand say place no the hot. We see camera from Bengui, that camera be the do it in. For that side for Boyam, we get chapter of for Limbe, made council of them they be sleep, they no be sleep for the house them overnight. They come now early morning time or they carry them for different side votes it start late. And for Boyam, wait till it happen for day. Now so this confusion, this fight for talk with Ekema Patrick, when a mayor, CPDM, and ex-mayor for Buea Council, where they call it in Bella Mukicha. When you put all the things and so now, so wait till you fit talk for the vote as we pass for the two Anglophone places.
I think at the end of the day, we'll see that report, and if you look well, you look the other side, them we don't get that vote going back for that area, you will discover, say, you know, a lot of problems in there. Just when you don't see Highway Hall, it will be empty, and moreover, if I want to ask a question too back for you, like how we don't talk camera, SK we don't come for these other regions, you be see where camera be there for there, and why now when they go for that other region they start now for think about camera for put them, which means something there under the table where they no one bring and put on top table, me they being it the councillors or we the people make we see them, because in reality I not think say if everything get for be done like the way they don't do them for the other side them camera they get for come overnight for come put camera might be for like track some certain information inside voting hall. I think that inside the hall.
Yeah, inside the hall.
So if we fit talk for outside if something, but now unless na a new system where they want bring them, but then if na a new system where elect them, I want for talk say I think say if they talk say Cameroon like how we were president, we say Cameroon be one and indivisible. If they get a system, that system get for be one and unite for the whole nation, right? Elect can not go get different systems depending on the regions, or might be I don't know. Because if the system don't show say a camera get for B, and then they show them to me, we all will know say camera be everywhere. If camera no get for B, then there no reason, no day why for a particular region they get for day. So tell you the year that another person they say no, me they can't say this. Okay, but I think if all the reasons that we put them down, they be clear, and then me government see back into it, not be saying me they just publish the result when you know you hear the other person the own plead. But I think say whatever be the case, if we look very well, we will discover and say that region, now a region where it don't be led on its own, say me they do whatever, and then I think say everything we put have got the hand.
Now we get this chapter 2 for Buea. We na so they like say na some small fight or some small magu Ekema Patrick, we na mayor for Buea, and Bella Muki Charles, we na senator since for the last year, and so now the two brother them na the same tribe Bakweri, but it dey like say they know the one see themselves face. Now so talk, the one they talk your own, the other one they talk your own. But what you feel say if it correct if say brother them for the same village they get for the over talk?
No, I think say we don't see this party issue. At first, we get some belief say SDF man no feel great CPDM man. Not to talk of the leaders. Because the leader be make me will believe, I talk like SDF leader, in those days we make we, the militants, will believe say it is so, ye and the other party man like Paul Biya, you know, feed like great hand with the, of which be zero. So if we have the leader, if he already show such an image, at the end of the day, two brothers, the way they come from the same home, I think there is some, what they would have a common word would they use and for pigeon, say you born picking, no born heart. Which means if you born two brothers, they come out, this man get the own party, that one get the own party. But when I come back for family meeting, when I talk family issue, and then when I forget about party. But today we don't come for discover and say, when it comes for this issue for party, na personal interest where everybody they go in, and all man want defend the interest. So if you be my brother, I get my party and that one defend my interest. I come for discover and say, now you the one put sun for inside my gari where they prepare them. It go up to a level where it be possible for brother self to eliminate the brother just because of that personal interest for this country, of which it be wrong. And I think say at the end of the day, the same leaders the way they make me will understand say they no feel shake hand for each other. They come for make me understand say they be very good friends. They communicate. Times a day where the other man they call and say, I want to go for lunch. What should we do? He come, they go take something together. But we now, the common people, they fight. So at the back say, at the end of the day, if we will feel really understand, say politics not be fight. Now just a choice. And that choice, if all leaders or all politicians, they want to go in with the sense for go bring a change. You don't understand? Say you want to go bring a change. Like you call me a president before I want to take that position as a president. Being it for my village community here, that's Ndeka, somewhere, I get a goal for mine, say I want this for my people. You understand? But if you want to go just because you want to get that name me they call you, I'll be sorry. And when you go, you get for lead the people for sideway, you go with the M for lead them. Because if you want say me that then lead you, they feel mislead you. So I think say make we brothers and sisters make we not over get into this politics, and then we can't spoil family or we spoil regions or whatever.
Yes, Mola Junana, we don't talk Bamenda, the two will be catch all money attention at that camera for inside voting house on Bengui. They never tell you who put the camera for inside, so they now never sabi. But sabi say already for side for Boyan, so this normal palaver don't happen with mayor and senator. When you look the vote will pass on that side and councillor then we they sleep for hotel overnight, then moto can pass pick them for Limbe. What if you for talk as well the vote pass on that side for the PLM side say oh yes na aeroplane, it carry councillor then they go vote na for Cham.
Yes, I go begin with that we pass Bengui, that camera. From the place of that camera for day, it reflects the results for the elections.
Full stop.
I be very, very convinced that party where he lost, he be know internally say he cancels them, the complaint. He get that confidence he cancels them. And for that reason, since most councillors them, or even to say some militants of some certain parties them for this country, they respect with the way some of this now they will say they be prisoners without crimes. Just because they be councillors, they be forced for follow the ideologies that will come from the hem of their party, which they call and say this, so the party's discipline. So they be prisoners of that discipline. That ideological difference, no day for them. The refugees don't also say, okay, I get my own idea for expression. Say no, to tell them, so you must vote that particular person. Now why they put camera for they say for choose or trace out the person where you know go respect
people that they need the
where they no go maintain, they no respect that their discipline, and it no correct at all. I know say this, so they don't fire in a complaint for the Constitutional Council for that, and I be very convinced say if at all say the bodies that be they respect the law, they get for punish the person where he put that camera for them. Then I'll go back now for Buea. The problem between
I beg Marge, jump in. I want to ask a question. If you want come back now for that issue for camera for conclude because you don't go for Buea. Look with me. What be the impact for a councillor where might be they be prepared say you must vote this and they come wholeheartedly, but despite the fact maybe you know say camera there or he go vote the opposite party. Wait you and I would think say tomorrow for your petition of work. If one day it can happen, say that the same boss he come again can say, what you think? Say you walk. You see Ricks will walk or he get the probability for say make me keep you walk again. It be high or low.
No, but President, I'll make me understand say this. So when it comes to parties discipline, now party they decide who get for big councillor.
Thanks.
If you today you behave as a Parondo indirectly, you go vote person where party maybe one time. Just take note, say next election, yeah, they no accept so we go in as a councillor.
Thanks.
Now one, the first discipline that. Secondly, you know, say most of these people they call them for this TCS or Yaoundé, this criminal court for Yaoundé.
Yeah.
Most of it be very, very political. Even you were there for them just because maybe you know be disciplined and you be member of a given party, may will not talk to the ruling party.
Yeah.
Tomorrow if you just decide for talk, so okay, yes, say they be once give you 10,000 francs to go fit so your militants then you never show the receipt. For that reason, they call you for it because you don't siphon public funds. That's another possibility. So now why I talk to this, so now party discipline, and so long as that party discipline exists in this country, nothing no go ahead. You go hear people don't resign for opposition or for the ruling party, people will be in a hand clappers when it comes to decisions they get for take them. They get for accept because now survival of the fittest, they want to maintain their belly.
But if that vote it be a sacred, like how we talk about sacred ballot, I think say you the individual, the councillor way to go in for vote, you get a choice. It not be say might be because you be a councillor for this party where you be obliged for vote the person where he stand for the name of the party where you be belong. I think say councillors and normally they get for they like uniform men for our country, even though you and I will not say uniform men them not supposed to get a party where they belong. You get my point? But at the end of the day, me and you would see how they lead people then go here and there for do campaign with no uniform men the way they do this party. But they're not supposed to get a party. So if you go already say one go vote, you not be obliged say because you get somebody where they represent a party where you belong, etc. Or if be a boss and needed for a particular party where you must vote.
Mr. President, just breathe small so that I go down to my own point of view. As I want to try to talk. I said so. Yes, that party issue, party discipline, where the first part made they respect them. They're the key parties for this country. Because now they need to accept the person, bring out the ideas. I mean, they respect them. Then if you I go back now from my town for Buea, between my mayor, Mr. Ekema Patrick, and my senator, Mr. Mila Moki Charles, the two of them, they fight for a given position. For that particular zone Buea, Mr. Ekema Patrick, he wished to say one day maybe to some big man for Buea, maybe a year or two for him. Mr. Senator, therefore, he want maintain his post. They say, Mr. Senator before being a mayor, he lived before Mr. Patrick Ekema take over. So now that fight be in between them. It just need now. It just show openly say even for Buea, CPDM, they never succeed for discipline obviously their militants them. If not, they will just call them for one table, they tell them, say stop, or the discipline and tell them, say okay, if you say no one follow these steps, they put you aside, but they continue. That's why they put the vex. Then what I think now, this other one say they so they will put take for them, go for hotel, go put them so that the following day they vote for a given party. This one are pure nonsense. Why? Because
but you know checks in for security too. So we see places like Southwest, Northwest, the fear way they be doing the one people then see make them no go vote, make them no go vote. If they vote, they'll show them. You know, if you say maybe na for that one too, they move them from their house.
Yes, they say if na security, why they no carry to the other opposition councillors until they go? So they prefer for say that insecurity, maybe they shoot people the way they be opposition, then only that councillors and for that given party they be protected. I will say no. Now just when they carry them, so all through the night they brainwash their heads. They tell them the consequences then if they vote the other party. Now what should happen that? I go discover and say they will keep them until when they will come out from the election hall. And I'll tell you one thing, I say, like me, one of the members and leaders and for this party, at times so when you come on outside, they tell you can prove so you know vote the other party. And for proof, and I say to you, you bring out your opponent, the ballot paper. So it just be as you just be a prisoner. So we just pray God so with time make things and change. We'll feel free for express ourselves, be it in the ballot box or maybe
now
on
for
stage,
one of the thing will be surprise people then for vote for Limbe sites. I've been saying that for Limbe all the vote happen for Fako since now their own capital that for that side for Boya. This Ekema Patrick is soon given a mayor time will be enter for vote, will be councillor. It's and say for his space, some person will don't vote for it. So who if he do that kind of mistake? Now the devil enter vote for Ekema Patrick space.
No, maybe
possible. No, first ask her if it be possible.
No, it be quite possible. Because also there's a person like me where are they inside this politics for almost 10 years today.
Yeah.
It be possible. Be possible how? It depends now on those people that control the voting inside that hall. Because some people they enter inside hall just because they belong to this particular position, you have to say, okay, go and vote. People that they really control, after you finish vote, for you for even sign, they go make sure place where they put their fingerprint, their name that. But how comes a person, he go leave his own name, put fingerprint for ambassador your own name? It means that something it be wrong. And if you go deeply, if you investigate better, you go understand why they vote, if at all, they vote in place of Ekema Patrick. Because it will already show in mind for which way if it happens tomorrow concerning maybe the opponent.
Well, and just to sabi say Professor Kalewe says na person for SDF, he don't write a petition for those make the council vote he pass for Southwest for secrecy some area the day they vote he no pass, but according to the small picking counting where they make a mole for that site after vote he pass, the talks in a part where she don't for chain na he be get upper hand. So for Professor Kale, he don't talk say that one a big rubbish. So he don't write petition, say me the council am na the same petition we put it today the right arm. For Bamenda site, for talk say after we vote he pass with the countdown, the small picking on with the counter for that site, it be show say na opposition, it be get plenty. They say that one it show say na eleka may be give big majority for SDF people then. So Sabi say na Constitutional Council he get for talk last talk for inside this chapter for vote where he pass for on the 25 for inside this very month, and for start prepare for that one inside the week people then for Constitutional Council they be put people then when they get for Shidon for counter votes all the vote them and for give result make we talk chapter for these people then for vote counting commission where they put them for chair. Now big man say for inside Constitutional Council council where they call it say Clement Tanganam. Now he put this 21 people them. Sabi say 2 of the people them now people that win a Supreme Court. He send them. It means in a Supreme Court people they appoint. We get 5 when a Minister for Territorial Administration at Tangan GSSF he give them appoint. Then we get another 5 when a people that they come up for Elekam. Then 9 people them where they represent political party them where they be inside Palava for vote for senator then. So them they don't sit down for chase since inside the week and normal if they get for look that are 3 days the way they give for them for count vote and for CC Oti Waka fine. Constitutional Council people them they get for don't get that result them by now. Sabi say Constitutional Council they will vote it pass. They get 15 days for them for come out for giving the last vote election before maybe people the way they get for make complain they get for come out come. Now Orange Jaspal I will turn back for you where you see the people there they bring if you say Pachano go so for pass. We get 2 people then for Supreme Court where they send them. 5 where they come on for when a minister for territorial administration he give them a point. Elect come to get own appointment the way is gam 5. Then 9 people then for the political party them where they be part for inside the vote.
I think if you look very well, you will see say na that 9 then where there be people there for political parties and where if you talk say any person go try for struggle for see whether ye party they count it be okay regarding the fact say ye represent the party. But then the other ones them who appoint most of these ministers, I think say na the president, and the president be belong where for a particular party. And if you look the entourage at the end of the day, you discover say all the people where they did there they be belong to a particular party. At the number one small analysis where I don't make them, of which if you look at very well, being either Tanganji Paul, minister of this, minister of that, at the end of the day, even for the elected body even, you discover say all those people them, they get a particular interest for a particular party. And now, when you come now for can see such a team be put in place, at the end of the day, to be sincere with you, say, it will be difficult, say, 10 against 1. That one figure a voice. Because even if the one talks a vote, will go on vote for some certain decision, majority will stick out. So for me, I think, for real, when it comes to issue for election for this country, I just say normally it not be possible, say, a country, if you go bring different country, me they can supervise things like election. For say, if not, the only best way for fit even do supervision, so tell me be clear, no say Pachano ode, and say me Jesus Christ can sit and then he do the. But to be sincere with us for this country, I think say, after everything, we will get the fear of God. Because if you get the fear of the Lord, I think that the whole thing that we have to talk. But at the end of the day, if you look and well, so those people then are people the way they go just they get something for mind, and if you achieve and good and fine, God not they exist. God nothing will they talk but not they exist. So
okay, Mola, Jules, wait till if you talk for this commission they put on. If you say the work where they do and the correct work where they do them, then give them for Clement and people them say they should don't give the last result then.
Okay. Mr. Ambassador, if you just see the duration before the results they come out, you understand what you get for happen for them. Those people they appoint them, not just a means for somebody to chop their own part for money. Not just a means to share the cake where they exist. For if they for one say they so for put an end to this, all those appointments for any decision will be taken for that commission, not through a simple majority. And when you see maybe representative from the Ministry of Territorial Administration, Supreme Court, maybe the ruling party, the other parties, you go discover and say the number outweigh even the representatives of different parties. So if we say, even if it's also okay for Northwest, this particular party don't win, or for Western region, with a given area where the ruling party get about 43 councillors, then after elections they discover and say 2 of those councillors that they vote in opposition. If they discover and say some fraud day, they file in a complaint. Inside this commission, the majority go just put their hand up, say no more, leave and me pass. I go pass. So that's just a means of sharing the money. I feel say so this election where they hold for Cameroon, within a period of 48 hours maximum, results will come out. This administrative bottleneck, I don't know why it get for the exist. Clergymen then there for this country, or civil societies people then there for this country, will be say will nominate them, will appoint them, will tell them say handle this election. Within a period of 48 hours, results will be, but now they say 14 days, 15 days. If 15 days after waiting, I will say okay, they will call this person the minister for this say for your place that they win you, the minister will say I beg, I don't want to say tomorrow they move me because they don't win me from my place, and I do everything possible. Or you call this other person, talk and I say they happy, they say not forget what they say that because of me they appoint you for day. So if this way make mistake, now all that for you. So now politics.
Now, I just sorry for enter for that number of days. We own brother country where they call them or sister country, they call and say Ivory Coast. We take example for the na paso jo talk palava the number for time we normal the vote begin or come out. According to plenty people them they talk say normal. Elekam as we be they say na them say they look at the vote. There be just one person get for Shidon, call North, ask and say how we pass, they vote for the high day. South, high day, East, high day. Only for that day when they get all the result, then they feel join and they talk, say, okay, now the party win. As we talk, but when they try for acts, even ballots, there's some people that they coach Cameroon, some councillor they be talk, say Cameroon for 2018, they like Cameroon for 1970 something. Say normal number by now, they don't get for change the way they vote. So you buy that idea?
No, you get for understand something. Now that political will it exists. People are there for chair, they want to maintain themselves. If they bring in change, like tomorrow they go leave that chair. And who, as my brother talk for them, who go accept for climb on top a stem, they take saw for cut that stem. If you even cut their neck, you say we need an independent body for govern, maybe for manage elections of this country. They don't ever accept. You go even tell them say they so okay, make a means way through internet within a period of 48 hours maximum. Results go come out. They tell you say no, if you accept, we'll get good computer engineers for this country. We'll get so many intellectuals of this country if we manage this election, even presently, that particular day. Before you want to reach even 10 o'clock for night, we already get the results from Northwest.
All sides.
All sides we get the result. Wait till they prevent them for probably the results.
They want take their time.
No, they need to work now on the result and then bring now which way it be demanded, the way it be needed.
No, they get for work now for their own results, so they want give way.
Now I say be needed now, no? By who?
So
that's it.
All right, so just the last topic or the last thing we'll get for talk for chapter for this palaver for senator vote. And so this also with the last result when Clement and people then they get for talk. Sabi say immediately after we vote it pass, Minister for Territorial Administration, he don't stay, will never see that one, Atanganji. It be whole press conference with Tory people them for talk as well they vote it be pass and it be talk say the vote pass fine give own number for people them. But Sabi say for inside the chapter so Elekam big man he come out his own press conference he talk na different thing opposite for Tiwa Atanganji talk. Now Nji Jespal president for Ngimba I want to ask you for plenty people and the talk minister for territorial administration no be get right for come out talk. Say normal that press conference or how we vote it be pass and number of people then they vote. Na Elekam, what you get for talk?
I think say for our country they don't take banana they chop and with potatoes. What I mean, if already for our country we don't get communications house like how we get Equinox with the NAPTORI very well, get many other concurrents them, and then the Minister of Communication na ye send out communication in the name of porte-parole. At the end of the day, you see with me say, na two functions the way they do at a time. I want come now for that Atanganjipo. According by Atanganjipo, I be sorry say me self done Jide for my name, but then according by Atanganjipo, everything they ever be okay. I don't know if you get me well, everything they ever be okay. The only thing where will be okay for you one day. Now if they happen for touch, ye breath. Daily bread, that's the bread way they get and pay. That time will be okay. But as far as any other thing they happen, if it come out here for go give report for another money job for make me the see say they do a very good job. You know what we mean about appointment. Now when they just appoint you, you must struggle for for prove and say that position where they appoint you, you go work so they go past level. If you and again I want Emma small to for beg our brother Tanganji Paul say if you be a player where they inside fee, you think say you fit play all position at a time. You go find yourself go the cash ball for inside pool and where at the end they will give penalty, which means you be now a handicap for that team. So you better be a player where you get your fixed position, you the lot just around your position, because by the time when you leave your position for go play another person in position, you won't come back, ball will don't pass for your own position for go. So I think say the only advice now say make will leave any person make it do your job as the job description. Me and you will not go into detail because when they appoint the, I think say that they give them job description, I doubt if they don't have accounted, because if they give job description, you know will be ambassador for Equinox, and then you call me say mu naktori, I come and tell say ambassador can't stand for you and me I will coordinate this activity for this afternoon. So I beg say make the try, if job description not there in place, me they give them, but if you did, me will try for respect our limits and when it comes to job description for do our job.
Yes, yes, Mr. Ambassador. You know, say for this country to an extent, I over respect President Paul Biya, because President Paul Biya has some very good politician. Good politician, why? Because Mr. Atanganji na a missionary. Missionary say they don't appoint at this particular point in time on a mission for this country.
Thank you.
And Mr. Atanganji, as a mission in this country, now a sacrificed man, where at the end, he either be a hero or they take, or maybe they call Dumbe, may take care of him. Because we know they understand, just after the election, contrary for things that will happen for the field, a press conference, he give another information. You understand what they happen. You know what they do. He see petrol, they get matches in hand. You know what they do. Then later on, what you go northwest and where go southwest, what he talk? He said so at this particular point in time, but the solution they already be drawn, people already come back, they already start undergo their normal activities. Those where they exile, where they maybe for bush, they don't start come back for their houses them. And then they make up to say just leave for that place 2 hours later. Now for Baipanya, Fonzian, the burn houses them. Well, the burn houses them. We just come up for the talk, say everything be okay. So the person a missionary, we just a person where he go on for following blindly. He go no place he go take it.
All right, since we get some more time for we for go, I so talk if it then as one will be get for look inside this palaver for vote we pass fine. Sabi say Oga Tanganji Seseb, it be there for Southwest, it be Nyati enter for Boya, it go to for Kumbam. But plenty people they decry say he walk away make am for Southwest, he no reach place where the thing they pass. He talks say people they turn back for house as we just talk Kamolaju, but thing they also pass for day. Now we ask a big question. This chapter for Northwest Southwest, we get places like Kwakwa, Ikiliwindi, all that places where they don't burn house, so people they know the day. It the talks people they come back for house, but people they catch it down for outside. So when you follow this Iwaka for Southwest, it go meet Okada people them. It do with a peace plan. Plenty people they talking at the same that peace plan where people they be work out and last year. We plenty people they die. So what if you for talk for the worker short before we come off outside?
No, now I'll consider for be a comedian. It just make people they laugh. Because you know go for that side, so the whole peace plan. Then beside you, people they well armed. How those people they for bush they be vexed to come towards you? We yourself you be protected. We people they be well armed. They tell and say they come for no. You don't choose the wrong moment and the wrong place. If you first ask even the traditional rulers, they may go meet the population, already said they know the content of their cry. Now say they need a dialogue and maybe federalism or thorough decentralization. You got to start now from there. Call them for a dialogue before you say if you want to come, so okay, we're on here. Or maybe if President Paul Biya take first a decision where if he appease the situation, then you go now for the talk say, okay, now since they be nominate me, they appoint me as territorial administration minister, where I see president, you don't take this kind of decision. Now why they come now more discuss or find a lasting solution so that those they for Bushman they come back. But nothing. You go for there with your army boys, they tell and say no, for television they say no, everything be okay, the rest come back. How? What's that images then?
Alright, Nji, Jespal, so for this chapter, you get some few time to for talk, so they almost come out of time.
Yeah, I think say as we don't see it be go in for one-man show, and if you talk say that one-man show don't pay, because if you send Pekin for mission and then you go come back, you move you appoint you for a position where it be bigger than where be the occupy. It shows say you don't do a good job for the mission. But now, good job in which sense? I think say you work for the people or you work against the people. So whatever be the case now, whether I hold peace plan or whether I go take holy water, even from Reverend Father Waka spray them everywhere, it be very, very difficult. Say if you take powder in a quantity like this, you blow am for air, it's sprayed. And then after they tell you, say you collect back all that powder at the end, make it be for that quantity where it be, make you do them. That pineapple, it be very, very difficult, but if you find them very well, if you don't already take the powder, blow them for air, and then it be very difficult for fix way to way we don't destroy them. We get people there, they don't lose their souls, etc. just because of the information where it be pass them over. If you be give the right information at the right time, they will know for day for this particular position where we day for this crisis inside this country. I think say one first of his kind where they don't appoint somebody from that region for that particular position inside this country. And at the come now for make me understand say as our brother don't talk say be there for a mission, and that mission don't give you a fruit for ye and your family. Because at the end of the day, the thing say they don't give that position for the region. I be sorry. Say if that position they be given, say they don't give enough for the Anglophone regions, then they don't pay for the mission. But they don't give now Mr. Atanganjipo and your family that position. I think say I will fist up for that position.
Alright, now so we will finish for this side for Equinox Story House. Today, Ebidena the last one for the month for March, number 3 month for 2018. With the salute Tanda Nditefe, notable, where the here for that side, so for Bonaberry, for Grand Baobab side. Now, maybe I want to say big thank you for you, President from Gimba and Big Man, for one for the route, for your time when you get them for we today.
Yeah, I salute all man. I think say a day for here today, say we knock Tori, we don't knock them very well, and small time we can go. So today for evening, I call all man, say we meet up for one for the road for Carrefour Music. So for say if we shake them, how would ever they shake the traditional part of it for our northwest side, the Botse dance. So rendezvous for 7 o'clock, and I salute all man, especially our brothers, and where they don't take their time for send me the stop, see how we will knock this story. But I beg we say whatever we don't talk for here and send me country go before.
Alright. Mola Julnana, thank you to plenty you be there for your rest time, but we'll move you for it now.
No problem, Mr. Ambassador. At least ever since I did Douala here now, and presently I talk say happy birthday for my two daughters, Vanel and Karel.
Okay, happy birthday for Vanel and Karel. We come out to Ambassador. Eh? So, people that they miss them for this afternoon, people that they miss them for Saturday, Sunday. Make una no forget na fit also follow the program for 8:30 for morning time for Sunday. So we dey talk happy Easter for people them for outside day. Make una all am tight for outside.